Alright, today we're gonna unlock the radio. First we have to obtain the serial number of the stereo. So as you can see right now, can't listen to anything. We need the code. In order to obtain that, we have to get the serial number. So we have to take this part out. And then, yeah, let's get started. Grab a flathead. See, these clips are holding it. It's out. So let's go ahead and loosen it from here. This one, that one. There's one right there. One up there. All right, let's go ahead and loosen those. You don't want to drop that. Sure you don't want to drop it. This last two. Alright, as you can see, we remove all. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Part number, which is located right here. And it will ask you also for the serial number, which is located right here. And you also need your VIN number. And it will ask you for your name, last name, and email. So go ahead and take a picture of this for reference. All right, so that's it. Let's go ahead and put it back, and then yeah, they'll email you the code in order to unlock the radio. All right, so I submitted all my information and they got back to me within less than, I want to say, 5 minutes, and I got the code now. So I'll show you how to unlock it. So mine is 9924. There it goes. It's unlocking. That's it. So I'll post the link to the Mitsubishi radio where you have to submit your information, so they could send you the code down below. So let's go ahead and put everything back. So we have everything put back together. And don't forget this, the cover. Let's put back everything. Make sure it clips back in. There you have it. Another day, another success. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy this video and you find it helpful.